Hello and welcome to Best Remote Work from Home Job Just for You. Today we're going to be talking about Customer Success Manager, and this one pays from $50,000 to $60,000, and then it has a possible bonus of $55,000 to $70,000 for you. So it's for the company Direct. So at Direct, we provide lodging operations with a sleek enterprise-grade software platform that purpose-built for coordinating short-term rental operations, distributions, guest engagement, accounting, and third-party integrations. We have an awesome team and vision, great benefits, and a lot of room for growth. So what is the summary of Direct? They're seeking an energetic, personable, process-oriented, and proactive customer success manager who can provide ongoing support to our customers and network with them. The candidate should be able to contribute to building relationships, implementing new programs that will increase the company's revenue potential and minimize churn rates. To that end, the operations department and at Direct includes both proactive customer success team primarily focused on helping customers to reach their goals with our product, and our reactive account support team primarily focused on helping customers resolve their issues with our product. The CSM, or Customer Success Manager, is dedicated to the former, responsible for following SOPs for day-to-day efforts related to the CS lifecycle, and leveraging and maintaining tools and resources that ultimately yield a high impact with the success of new and existing customers. So the Customer Success Manager's responsibility includes supporting customers as they transition from sales prospects to building close relationships that often last beyond any one project or job. Ultimately, you will work directly with clients to help solve their problems and ensure their satisfaction while they are an active account with us. You will work closely with other employees to ensure customer questions and concerns are addressed in a timely manner. Some of the perks include health insurance, 401k, paid time off, and also stock options. Your responsibility will be establish clear client retention goals, process milestones for the clients and employees to work toward, assist customers with setting up and navigating programs or software, promote the value of the product, upsell services and products with the brand image, promote value through customer service, assist in creating training courses and educational materials, review customer complaints and concerns, and seek to improve the customer experience. Your qualifications: proven work experience as a customer success manager or similar role, proven experience working in travel/hospitality technology, preferably short-term rental property management software, 2+ years experience using enterprise software with an emphasis of web application and B2B SaaS, experience working with brand image and promoting value through customer experience, exceptional ability to communicate and foster positive business relationships, technical skills required as they relate to the use of the product or service, accountability and personal organizations are essential, working knowledge of Google Suite, Intercom, Slack, Stripe, outstanding organization and communication abilities, aptitude in decision making and problem solving, ability to deliver best-in-class service to customers, experience executing scalable processes, experience dealing with competing priorities in a fast-paced environment. So the annual salary will be $50,000 to $60,000, but there's some bonus paid out for met objectives during value realization and advocacy phases of customer success lifecycle. So the end of year bonuses will be from $55,000 to $70,000 total. The benefits will be paid time off such as PTO, sick days and vacation days, health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, and retirement benefits or accounts. If you feel like you're perfectly fit for this particular role, check the description below. I'll have the link that'll send you directly towards the opportunity so you can apply right away. And if you want more best remote work from home job leads just for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.